Welcome to some more lawnmower stuff. Today we're gonna sharpen the lawnmower blade. First of all, you gotta prop up the lawnmower like this, so then none of the oil comes out and you can actually get access to the blade. So you wanna put a piece of wood right there, just so if the blade kind of moves to the right a little bit, it'll just stop at the wood. So when you're actually turning the bolt or whatever, yes, like that. Next thing you want to do is just take the file and sharpen your lawnmower blade. You typically just use a vise right here. I don't really have one apparently, so I'm just gonna sharpen it by, and then you just sharpen kind of like that, but a little harder. To test if your blade is balanced, just put a nail in the wall, and then you just kind of hang it up like that. So, mostly balanced.